Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear brothers and sisters in Islam, as we all know, the UK government has once again announced national lockdown starting from Thursday, 5th of November for next 4 weeks. According to the government recent guidelines, the places of worship including Masjid will not be permitted to offer congregational prayers. Many Muslim organizations, Masjid councils, Masjid committees and even some other faith groups have expressed and raised their deep concerns towards this decision of the government. We strongly believe that abandoning the congregational prayer in mosque will only cause anxiety, stress, and mental and spiritual unwell-being, whereas keeping the place of worship open will help the communities overcome or at least minimize the anguish they are facing in these difficult times. However, as always, we adhere to government guidelines. Therefore, Greenland Masjid has decided to stop the daily congregational prayers as well as Jummah Salah for next 4 weeks. We hope these restrictions are eased by the 2nd of December, inshallah. We take this opportunity to remind all the Muslims to continue offering their prayers in congregation while staying at home, as congregational prayer is 27 times more rewardable than the individual prayer. We also understand that during the short days of the winter months, the prayers fall within few hours of each other. For this reason, we have decided that for those who are in the area and are in urgent need of some way to pray, then they can attend the masjid for their own individual prayers. For this, the access to the masjid will be through the office door C located on Green Lane. Each individual will need to sign in, sanitize their hands, and will be allocated only 10 minutes to complete their individual prayers, after which they must leave the premises. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to remove this hardship from us all so that we can once again enjoy our collective worship in the house of Allah Dhul Jalali wal Ikram.